Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm so sorry my heater is on. It just kicked on and I can't turn it off. Okay, I'm using J Diction. I'm gonna use Eder Art for my white pigment. I might be able to fill up another one. Oh, this one's so full of bubbles. Try to bring them to the top and I'll work on these other ones first. Goodness gracious. Okay, 2 drops of Eder Art. 1, 2, and this 21 grams. 21.3 grams. Get that mixed up really well and get it in your piping bag. And like I've told you before, when I took my thermometer out, it was 90.6. I hurried up and measured this out and came straight over here, turned my camera on, and that's when you seen me. Okay, let's get some colors in here. Okay, dark indigo. Azure blue. And we're gonna do some Sigili. Over here we're doing some dark moss green. Some orange. Some coffee. We'll do some yellow.
All right, guys.
Blow that off and torch it. Darn it, I see stuff in there. My heater kicked off, but there was little particles floating around, of course. Okay, get this in our piping bag real quick. Twist this up and tie it. Okay, let's get this in real quick. Goodness gracious, look how thick it is. Whoopsie. I definitely cut the hole in the bag pretty big. Whoopsie. I need to get a toothpick and try to fix the middle. But I definitely encourage people to comment and ask questions. I love helping people. It makes me feel good, and to feel like I'm teaching someone something. I'm doing a voiceover because I had originally said something about a comment that was left on my channel by someone I do not know, but I'm not even gonna acknowledge it. I've blocked that person, and if you're gonna leave a comment on someone's channel, be nice, you know? If you don't like what they're doing, don't watch their videos. You know, I don't want anyone to sit and watch my videos if they don't like them. You know, I'm just trying to teach people how to make blooms and be positive for people and encourage people, and, you know, that's all I'm trying to do. Anyway, I'm putting these lines in. I think the colors are super pretty, and I can't wait to see them. And I appreciate everyone that comments and hangs out with me in my live chats and likes what I'm doing. I appreciate you all. Do I want to stir the middle anymore? No, I think I'm going to leave it like I did it. And see what happens. Hopefully that'll bloom nice. I'm hoping. Hopefully I didn't wait too long. Sweet. All right, guys. I'll let this cure up, and that's some crazy colors. I'll let this cure up, and I'll see you in a little while. Bye. All right, guys, let's check them out. Okay. You know what? I think I'll show you the one oh, did I come back and swirl? I had to swirl one, and I don't remember why I did, or even if I should have. Okay, let's go ahead and check out the swirl one. Ready? Oh, that's okay. Still beautiful. Beautiful. All right, there's that one. Okay, now let's check out, let's get this one out of here too. Let's check out these other two. Oh, it's beautiful. I love it. I think that turned out amazing. I did mix some blue with some black. Some black pigment paste from Resin, and then some blue mica powder, made that. I did brown. I don't know if you can tell. I did a brown back with this one, although I don't think you can tell, and this one too. I think I used brown alcohol ink and then the black pigment paste, so. And there's that one. I love it. That's beautiful. What the, is that a stone in there? Surely not. I honestly can't tell. But it's gorgeous. I think they turned out amazing. Beautiful. I think they all look amazing. All right, guys. And I could have went darker on my colors, you know. But they look stunning. It's fabulous. All right, guys. I will get some pictures of these, and I hope you guys have a super extraordinary day. See you later. Oh, I wanted to show you this. See that little hole right there? Something fell into the back of that, like a piece of fuzz or something, and that's what created that little hole. But still looks amazing. I'm very happy with them. All right, guys. See ya.